Hey folks, Easy right here. Welcome to my next video. Today we're going to install a set of aftermarket foot peg extenders for a 2022 Honda CB500X. That interests you? Stay with me. And welcome back. This is the stock foot peg setup. It has a spring that helps it go back. It's held down by this cotter pin down here and a little washer, and then that pin just pops through. The aftermarket doohickey will sit right here and give you a lot more foot presence, you know, when you're standing up on your pegs and stuff like that. Let me show you how to put this on. It's pretty simple. To make the job easier, I took the foot peg off. Underneath it, you're going to find two bolts. They're 8mm bolts. That holds on this rubber piece that you'll see on top there. Real simple. The kit comes with two foot pegs, and it comes with screws. Now these screws, everybody says they're short, and I believe them. So basically, just reuse the ones that came out. That'll work. So what I'm going to do, in the kit there's a little lock washer. I'm going to put the lock washer on the longer bolt. I'm going to put a little bit of blue Loctite on it. You always want to Loctite screws, especially if they're pointing downward. And just put it all back together again. Simple, simple. Shouldn't be no problem. There we go. I put the new piece on with the stock bolts that came with the Honda. You can see I used the lock washers that came with the kit. Now, don't gorilla on these. You're going into aluminum, just nice and firm. Who knows how many foot-pounds or newton meters that is, but what I do is I put my hand on top of the wrench like this. Instead of using the whole leverage of the wrench, I just put my hand on top and I twist. That way I don't gorilla on it. Also, on this pin right here, before you put it back, clean it up. And I'm going to use some white lithium grease. You always want to grease pins and stuff like that. Anyway, should take me a minute or so to put it back together. I'll show you what it looks like. And there we go, finished product. Some things to remember: make sure you put the spring on correctly. One part goes over that, the other part goes in that little hole. And then that's what, let's see if we can see it. Using this camera's a pain in the ass. Anyway, put the cotter pin in there, bend back the legs. Alright, any questions, just shoot me a note underneath, and don't forget to give it a like and thumbs up and stuff like that. Thank you.